Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales, and today we're showing you our 72 K10 four-wheel drive. Here you can see you've got Wild Countries, 33 1250 15s, pretty close to new. I'd say a little, an older paint job and an average paint job. You can see some imperfections in it. Here they just taped around the lights. So just an average driver quality job. I mean, it's got a pretty good shine into it, a little bit of orange peel, but you can see some reflection there. So like I said, I'd label it a driver quality job. Original grill insert, there's a scuff on it, but at least they fit decent. The aftermarket ones don't fit very good. So, and had the molding, they took the black paint out of the molding. You can either repaint that, or they sell the tape that'll go inside of them if you want to. I know they do the Cheyenne. I don't know about the black. I would guess original mirrors. Looks like they put a new windshield in with a new molding here to me. And like I said, just a cheaper paint job, because you can see they painted right on the belt moldings. Interior seat appears to be done. Nice shape. Put carpet in it probably one time, but it's faded a little bit there, you can see. I would assume the outside is the original color of the truck, because you can see the inside faded a little bit. So that's kind of a nice way to tell. Tilt wheel. Got a stereo in it, and they're just a non-air truck. Dash pad's pretty good. Got a couple small little cracks in there, which for a driver quality truck, not an issue. Yeah, I'd say that's older weather strip, maybe been replaced at one time. No rust or anything. There's your VIN plate. Probably had rockers at one time, I would guess, the way it looks. Of course, door speakers. Everybody loves to do that. And they must have painted this to shine a little more, because you can see this is still a little faded. The door's nice and clean. But like I said, it's got some imperfections from just a average paint job to driver quality. Like I said, it's probably a pretty neat one if you bought the moldings and put the white in the middle. Then that'd be a pretty cool look. Or if you like this color, it's a good looking truck. Like I said, I'd say original chrome with some imperfections. I can see the bumpers got some scratches, so I'd guess probably original bumper. Same back here, original trim. And then they just painted the box. You can see some things and dents in it, but pretty clean. There's one little small rust hole right there. They must have had box rails on it at one time. You can see the bolt holes in there, so I guess that one time they put back in the old days, that was what you wanted to do, But like I said, nice clean, doesn't appear to have any rust on the exterior anywhere. We'll get it underneath and kind of show you all that too. Like I said, a little dirt here and there in the paint. So probably original door handle, a little chrome coming off. See, you can see they painted the glove box door, but not the dash. So doors shut good. Nice driving. If you watch my driving video, you can see how good it goes down the road. So nice driver quality truck. Really runs out drive good. We'll show you all the accessories in another video. Any questions? 605-695-7391.